Welcome to today's video, where we'll take a deep dive into one of the most important, yet often underestimated systems in the human body, your gut. If you're feeling bloated, tired, anxious, or just not like yourself lately, your gut health might be at the root of the problem. Today, you'll learn how the gut does far more than digest your food. It's a powerful hub that controls your immunity, mental health, and overall vitality. Let's uncover the secrets of gut health and how small changes can have a profound impact on your well-being. Let's start with the basics. Your gut is more than just your stomach. It includes your entire digestive tract, spanning from your mouth to your intestines, where food is broken down into the nutrients your body needs to survive. Within your gut lives an entire community of trillions of microorganisms called the gut microbiome. This includes bacteria, fungi, and other tiny organisms that play essential roles in digestion, producing vitamins, boosting immunity, and even communicating with your brain. When your gut microbiome is balanced, meaning there's a healthy mix of beneficial bacteria, your body thrives. However, when there's an imbalance, the effects can ripple through your entire system. So, why is gut health such a big deal? It impacts nearly every function of your body. Let's take a closer look. Immune system support. Did you know that nearly 70% of your immune system resides in your gut? A healthy microbiome protects you from harmful pathogens and reduces inflammation. Nutrient absorption. Your gut helps break down food and absorb essential vitamins and nutrients like B12, iron, and magnesium. Without a healthy gut, even the cleanest diet won't translate into good health. The gut-brain connection. Your gut and brain are in constant communication through what's known as the gut-brain axis. Have you ever felt butterflies in your stomach when nervous? That's your gut communicating with your brain. Poor gut health can lead to increased stress, anxiety, and even depression. A healthy gut keeps your entire body functioning smoothly, and maintaining this balance is critical for long-term health. Is your gut trying to tell you something? Sometimes the signs are obvious, but other times they're more subtle. Here are some key indicators of poor gut health. Digestive issues, bloating, constipation, diarrhea, or heartburn. Skin problems. Issues like acne, eczema, or unexpected rashes may be linked to an unbalanced gut. Fatigue and low energy. If you often feel run down despite getting enough sleep, your gut could be responsible. Mood swings. Poor gut health has been connected to mental health issues like stress, anxiety, and depression. Weakened immunity. Frequent colds or infections could mean your gut microbiome isn't functioning at its best. Recognizing these signs is the first step to addressing the root cause, your gut health. What might be throwing your gut out of balance? Several factors can negatively impact your gut, including unhealthy diets. Diets rich in processed foods, added sugars, and low in fiber can disrupt the balance of gut bacteria. Chronic stress. Stress doesn't just affect your mind. It can weaken the lining of your gut and lead to imbalances. Lack of sleep. Poor sleep cycles interfere with the microbiome's natural rhythm, impacting its ability to function. Overuse of medications. Antibiotics, for example, can kill both harmful and beneficial bacteria, leading to imbalances. Addressing these factors through lifestyle changes can help restore balance and improve gut health. The good news is that you can take control of your gut health starting today. Here's how. Fiber-rich foods. Whole foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes provide the fiber gut bacteria thrive on. Fermented foods. Add foods like yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut, and kefir to your diet. They're rich in probiotics, which help replenish beneficial gut bacteria. Stay hydrated. Water supports digestion and helps maintain the mucosal lining in your intestines, promoting a healthy environment for bacteria. Reduce processed foods, excessive sugar, and alcohol, all of which harm the balance of your gut microbiome. You've probably heard about probiotics, but what do they actually do? Probiotics are live bacteria that improve your gut microbiome by replenishing beneficial microorganisms. Fermented foods like yogurt, kombucha, and miso are great sources. If you're considering probiotic supplements, consult with a healthcare provider to make sure they're right for you. Equally important are prebiotics, non-digestible fibers that feed your gut bacteria and help them thrive. Prebiotics can be found in foods like bananas, garlic, onions, and asparagus. Together, probiotics and prebiotics create a healthier, more balanced gut environment. Improving gut health isn't just about diet. It's also about how you live. Here are some changes to enhance your gut health naturally. High stress levels negatively impact gut function. Incorporate mindfulness practices such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises into your routine. Prioritize a consistent sleep schedule. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted rest each night to support your body's natural processes, including gut repair. Exercise helps stimulate gut bacteria diversity, which is essential for improved immunity and digestion. Even a 30-minute walk a day can make a difference. Do eat more whole, plant-based foods rich in fiber. Do experiment with incorporating fermented foods and prebiotic-rich vegetables. Don't rely solely on supplements without improving your lifestyle and diet. Don't overindulge in heavily processed sugary snacks or fried foods. Small, gradual adjustments can lead to long-lasting benefits for your gut. Let's circle back to the fascinating gut-brain connection. Your gut produces neurotransmitters like serotonin, often called the feel-good hormone. An unhealthy gut can reduce serotonin production, leading to heightened stress and mood swings. Improving gut health can directly enhance your mental clarity, mood, and sleep quality. Here are a few simple steps to work into your daily life. Start your mornings with warm lemon water to kickstart digestion. Make your meals colorful by including a variety of fruits and vegetables. Plan a weekly meal that includes fermented foods like kimchi, yogurt, or miso. Dedicate 10 minutes daily to meditation to reduce stress. Consistency is key. Over time, these small habits add up to big changes. It's easy to get overwhelmed with all the information about gut health online. Let's set the record straight about some common myths. Myth: probiotics work for everyone all the time. Truth: while probiotics can aid gut health, their effectiveness varies depending on the individual, and they're not a magic pill. Myth: expensive detox teas or cleanses are the key to gut health. Truth: your gut doesn't need a cleanse. It needs nurturing through balanced nutrition and a healthy lifestyle. Be skeptical of quick fixes and focus on sustainable habits that promote long-term health. Let's look at an example. Imagine someone suffering from chronic bloating and low energy. When they gradually shifted to a diet rich in whole foods and added fermented foods like yogurt, they noticed improved digestion, higher energy levels, and better skin. These changes took time but transformed their life. Your journey to better gut health can begin with small, measurable steps like these. When you prioritize your gut health, you'll experience a host of benefits. Improved digestion and reduced bloating. A stronger immune system that wards off colds and infections. Enhanced mood, mental clarity, and even better sleep. Your gut is the foundation of your health, and taking steps to support it will reward you with long-term vitality. Now that you've learned the importance of gut health, what small change will you make today? Will you add more fermented foods to your meals? Try focusing on whole, fiber-rich foods? Leave a comment below and share your first step. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey. Your health starts from the inside out, and improving your gut is the first step toward being the healthiest version of yourself. Stay tuned for more videos, and remember, small actions lead to big results. Until next time, take care and nourish your gut.